Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing another YouTube video. And today I'm making paper squishies. And I'll show you all that I made. I made a donut, a cookie, a watermelon, an ice cream, and a panda. So today I'm making a heart. And I'm going to show you what you guys need. So you need like something to draw with, and you'll need a Sharpie. Well, if you want, but I'm going to do Sharpie so the outline is cute. You can use colored pencils, crayons, but I'm going to use markers because they show up better. You will need tape, scissors, and paper. I prefer white paper instead of like line or anything else because they'll show up better. My doggy.
My doggy. My doggy.
Say hi. Hi. Okay. Okay, so I already drew what I wanted, and I'm drawing a heart, a purple heart. So after I'm done drawing, which I'm already done, so I'm ahead of everybody. You will need another piece of paper to make two, So line these up. And when you're there, as you can see, I have two. So you need two. You got your scissors, handy dandy scissors, and you cut it out. There we go. That probably took like 10 seconds. Totally. Okay, so now you're done with the paper. And now you have the outline of your heart. And yeah. Oh. Okay, that was like so awkward. Yeah, there's like a bird. Okay, let's go on. So, as you can see, I've already drew this. Now it's like really quiet. Okay, so I drew my heart already. I know the marker's so bad, but it's okay. So, I forgot what you needed the most. You will need stuffing. Like, you can get it anywhere. Or around your house, there might be some stuffing, like your pillows, stuffed animals. Don't do that. Like, don't do that. Like, what you don't need. Like, not with the face, So, yeah, I just have this cotton. And I have some more in there. So, now you're just going to start taping. So, you need tape. Like, that's the main key. You need your tape. And now what you do, you have to line it up really good. I want you to line it up. You press it. And you put it down. Okay, now you don't make it all. So as you can see, I taped my first piece. So you can first maybe get some tape pieces and just put them down so it's easier. Which right now I'm doing. So get about that much because you're not going to do the whole thing yet. So I did one. So I'm going to do more. But don't do it, guys, don't do it everywhere. Just do it to the amount because then we're going to be putting the real stuff. Okay, now we're gonna stuff our heart. It's like a Build-A-Bear. Okay, but you'll need to tape everything here, like the outside and the corners, and everything. And you put the last piece of tape. But now so what I'm saying is tape the bottom only. And now open it up, and you can see it's getting it's closing. So get a little bit of your stuffing and put it in, because then right now it's forming into a heart. So now you'll need more tape and more tape. But now just keep on stuffing and keep on taping. That's the best way to do it. But stop when you're at the top. I will tell you why. So get more tape and put it around. I should have put like the whole tape in. Okay. There we are. Feels so nice. There we go. There we go. There. So I have about now 6 pieces of tape out. And I'm just going to keep on going on one side. Don't go on both. Just go on one for now. So keep on taping. Keep on taping. Okay, now you can put more stuffing. Now you can put it on the other side. This process is very easy, quick. Now you can put even more stuffing. But guys, now I'm going to show you how. Okay, I'll show you actually. Okay, so when you get to the part where you're at here, so I did everything else, but here, fit very closely. Tape the last. Okay. So now when you get up to here, put all the stuff you want, all that you need and want, and this is fine for me. Yeah, this is fine for me. So you can put like that much, and now if you want, I'll put some more actually. Just get a couple pieces of more and put it in the sides. And make sure you like, oh my goodness, it's just like literally turning on me, so I'm like, Okay, so I'm gonna stuff it in and everything. And now it's like overflowing, which I like. Now you just tape the corners very persistent. Okay, so you can let your heart down. I'm probably not gonna use that, it's like way too long. Next time I'll shoot inside, you know? Okay, now you need lots of tape. So now get the top, tape it, but it's curved, so since it's curved, just press it down. It's okay if the tape looks wonky on the back. You only really want to see the front, don't you? Okay, now keep on taping until you like it. You can even cut off the excess tape if you don't like it. See, if that's there, you can just cut it off if you want. And now we're at this part that I wanted to show you guys. Right here at this part. Oh, she yawned. Okay, now you have to be careful and try not to break the paper and just tape it like that, yeah. It's okay if there's stuffing on the outside. You don't care about that. Okay, keep on taping. The tape part is the most important part of this, guys. You need to know that. Okay, now we just need a couple more pieces. Okay, now we're to the finishing part. So I'm gonna put all put that side down. Put this side on. Last piece. There we are. And here it is. The back doesn't look that bad. The tape, if you don't like it, you can just trim it off. it's not gonna do anything. Yeah, see? Now it looks better. Okay, so that was my squishy. Tell me if you liked it. So now we have another squishy. Yeah, guys, so tell me if you liked the video and tell me what else you want to see. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Say bye. Bye, guys.